Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping skin and learning why that matters. Clean skin lets the Colorbar lotion adhere evenly. Once done, shake the bottle to homogenize pigments, then pump 0. 5:1 for small areas or 2:3 for larger zones. You should apply a thin layer first and let it set for a minute to see coverage. Make sure to test on an inner wrist if it's your first time so you can watch for irritation before continuing. You now build coverage deliberately because layering controls final tone and texture. Apply thin layers and wait about 60 to 90 seconds between coats so the product sets without streaks. Use either fingertips for targeted blending or a damp sponge for a softer, diffused look. Circular motions prevent patchiness. Make sure to modulate pressure. A light touch keeps it sheer, firmer strokes increase opacity. Remember to monitor edge. You finish by letting the last layer dry fully. That step locks in color and prevents transfer. Once dry, set lightly with translucent powder or a setting spray if you need extra longevity, and avoid water for at least 30 minutes. If you see patchiness later, don't panic. Stop use, gently exfoliate over the next day or two, then reapply on healed skin. If irritation occurs, discontinue immediately and consult a professional. That simple troubleshooting keeps results consistent and safe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.